Welcome to MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Buckle up for some mind-blowing facts about the coolest machine advancements of the 21st century. Did you know that Boston Dynamics, humanoid robots like Atlas and Spot, can pull off some serious acrobatics, showcasing agility that's almost out of this world? And get this, AlphaGo, an AI system by DeepMind, actually beat a world champion Go player, proving machines can master complex games through smarts and strategy. Now, hold on to your seats because quantum computing is breaking barriers with its ability to process info at lightning speeds thanks to those quirky qubits. Oh, and 3D printing isn't just crafting gadgets, it's diving into bioprinting, creating living tissues layer by layer. Stick around till the end for more jaw-dropping technologies. Number 1. Robotics, the rise of intelligent machines. In the 21st century, robots have made a big leap forward. Take Boston Dynamics robots like Atlas and Spot for example. These machines are pretty smart and can do a lot. They can move around tricky spaces, keep their balance, and handle tasks that we used to do ourselves. It's kind of like they're becoming part of our everyday lives, and it's not just the human-like robots. There's something called cobots too. These are robots that work alongside people in different jobs, whether it's in factories, hospitals, or other places. Cobots team up with humans to get things done. They're all about making work easier, safer, and more efficient. So, robots are not taking over our jobs. They're just helping out and making things better for everyone. Number 2. Quantum computing. Now, let's talk about something really cool in the world of machines: quantum computing. So, regular computers use bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either on, or 1, or off, or 0. But quantum computers are a whole new ballgame. They use something called qubits, and these little guys can be in a bunch of states at once, not just 0 or 1. It's like they're multitasking on a whole other level. Because of this quantum magic, these computers can process information crazy fast. Big companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti Computing are working hard to make these quantum computers a reality. Google even hit a milestone in 2019 called quantum supremacy, when their Sycamore processor showed it could outdo the best regular supercomputers in a specific job. Now, why does this matter? Well, quantum computers can tackle stuff that was just too hard for our normal computers. Things like super complex math problems, keeping secrets safe, cryptography, and simulations that would make regular computers throw in the towel. So it's like a superpower for solving problems we couldn't crack before. How cool is that? Number 3. Artificial intelligence. In recent years, artificial intelligence or AI has become super smart thanks to something called deep learning. This is like the engine that makes AI great at understanding pictures, our language, and making clever decisions. A standout moment was when DeepMind, part of Alphabet Incorporated, created AlphaGo. This brainy AI not only played but actually beat a world champion Go player, showing that AI can learn and strategize on its own. There are also cool things called generative models like OpenAI's GPT series, which act like AI artists creating human-like text, art, and music. GPT-3, with its huge 175 billion parameters, is like a massive brain for understanding language and creating content. Thanks to these AI advancements, we now have machines that are really creative and can help us in various tasks, from writing to giving virtual assistance. How cool is that? Number 4. Internet of Things or IoT. Basically, it's like connecting all sorts of stuff, from gadgets to machines, to the internet so they can chat and share information. This has become a big deal in the 21st century. So, picture this: smart homes, smart cities, and smart industries. They use IoT to make things run smoother. It's like having everything connected to make life and work more efficient. And here's the neat part: they've teamed up IoT with artificial intelligence or AI. This means we've got smart systems that can actually learn and adjust to what we like. Take smart thermostats, for example. They look at past data and how we do things and then figure out the best way to use energy. It's not just handy, it's good for the planet too, helping with sustainability. All this interconnected stuff is changing how we live and work, making our world more connected and you could say super data-driven. How about that for a tech upgrade? Number 5. 3D printing. 3D printing has totally shaken up how we make things. It's not just about creating precise and customized products. It's revolutionizing entire industries. From crafting aerospace components to whipping up medical implants, 3D printing is everywhere, and it's not stopping at the usual materials. Now, we're into bioprinting, where we're literally printing living tissues and organs layer by layer. Imagine the possibilities in medicine. Personalized implants and organs for transplants. This tech is opening up a whole new world in design and manufacturing. And it's pretty amazing how intricate structures are coming to life with various materials. It's like we're living in the future of making things. Number 6. Biotechnology and CRISPR. In the 21st century, biotech has made some amazing strides, especially with this thing called CRISPR-Cas9. It's like a super tool for messing around with genes. Scientists can edit DNA with crazy precision, which means they can fix genetic diseases or tweak organisms' genes. It's not just about crops being tougher. We're talking about potentially curing serious genetic issues in humans. But, and it's a big but, there are some important questions we need to think about, like, should we mess with human genes? And what if things go wonky and there are unintended consequences? It's a bit of a wild ride in the world of gene editing, and there's a lot we need to figure out as we keep moving forward with this tech. Number 7. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are shaking things up in transportation, promising safer and smoother roads. Big companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are putting serious effort into making these machines drive themselves. They're using fancy tech like AI, machine learning, and super smart sensors to help cars navigate tricky traffic situations. The cool part? These self-driving vehicles could cut down on accidents, make traffic flow better, and help humans with limited mobility get around more easily. But there's a catch. We've got to figure out some rules, deal with ethical stuff, and upgrade our roads to make this a normal thing. Still, the progress in self-driving tech shows how machines are changing the game in how we get from A to B. Exciting times for the future of transportation. Number 8. Brain-machine interfaces. Brain-machine interfaces, or BMIs, are like a whole new frontier in how humans and machines can team up. Imagine being able to chat with devices using just your thoughts. That's what BMIs can do. Companies like Neuralink, started by Elon Musk, are deep into developing these brainy interfaces. They're not just sci-fi dreams. BMIs could actually help folks with neurological issues and boost our brain power. Picture this: someone with paralysis controlling a robotic limb just by thinking about it. It's kind of mind-blowing. But, and there's always a but, we've got to think about the ethical stuff. Like, how do we keep our thoughts private, make sure things are secure, and not go overboard with enhancing our brains? It's a bit of a tightrope walk, but the potential of BMIs is pretty exciting, even if we've got some important questions to figure out along the way. Alright, we've just scratched the surface of the coolest machine advancements in the 21st century. What blew your mind the most? The dancing robots? The AI conquering ancient games? Or maybe the 3D printers crafting actual organs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by these tech wonders as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-boggling updates. Thanks for watching!